do I say that? How do I say that without it sounding like I am so yabang about my content? Maganda kasi talaga guys eh. Panoorin nyo kasi, swear, ang cool nito. Alam nyo, supportahan nyo naman ako guys. Like, imagine ninyo. Di ba pag may nakakita kayong mga friends nyo, tapos may mga binibenta sila, like, nagbibenta sila ng tosino, nagbibenta sila ng milk tea, nagbibake na sila suddenly, everyone's a baker. Damn. Thank you so much, Anne. This is my first time to try. I know it's kinda late na, but this is what you call a baked California Maki. Trying to recommend the best candle. Everyone has a say on where to get a face mask. This is my hustle, guys. Hindi hassle hindi hassle na. Ang hassle mo! Hindi ganun. Ito yung hustle ko. Mali pa yung pagkakatype nila. Ang hustle mo! Hassle yun. Ito yung hustle ko. Ito yung side hustle ko. Aside from being a student, I'm a graduating student from De La Salle University. I'm also a live streamer for Shopee, one of its official contract, ang tawag nila doon, KOL, Key Opinion Leader. Wow, fancy.
Sabihin mo lang, salamat Shopee!
Gago!
Oh my God!
Aside from that, what am I? Diba? And you're gonna find that out with me because I still don't know. Honestly, there's a lot to talk about. There's a lot to share. I mean, I don't need to hard sell this so much, right? Let's just, what if you're given a chance to see what's gonna happen in the next 6 episodes? Would you like that? Going around town today, and it's my first time to ever do this. I'm a wild child and I'm alive. Would you like to see a sneak peek into what's coming? Kasi ito na naman, I'm gonna sound like I'm mayabang, but guys, without sounding mayabang, I really think that there's a story to be told. Nakakainis. Guys, panoorin niyo ako kasi iba Putang ina. I like that. Am I allowed to mura?
Putang ina! Putang ina mo!
Hindi ako nagmumura sa Shopee, by the way. Tapos pag may mga sexual, mga jokes, parang may mga nagpaparinig, like, alam mo yun, yung mga ducks ka ba, kuya? Tapos parang, ha? Ano yung ducks? Parang, ducks pa to. Ducks pa to. Back. Siyempre, you don't know who's watching you eh. And Shopee is a live machine. Hindi mo dapat basahin lahat. But once you encounter words such as that, like, siyempre, medyo ingat tayo. To be honest, kunyari, you wanna ask me these questions? Sige, let's make an episode about that. Gawin naman nating vlog. Wag lang bastang comment. Let's make a topic out of that. So if you guys are actually interested to see more, here is a quick rundown of what's gonna happen this season. This is a story that I think a lot of people might enjoy. Story ng family ko in general, not my story alone. Like, but kakaiba yung pinagdaanan ng family namin ha. She really struggled. She battled. She's probably the strongest woman I ever know is my sister. I've never seen anyone get through so many needles to the point na yung wala na silang mahanap na ugat. Tapos paano naman ang sister ko, yung lalagyan nila. Yung sister ko, hindi naman nagsasalita, syempre. Kasi I had this thought na parang, if they get to hear about our story, I think they will learn something from it. I think a lot of people will relate. So, I was coming into that feeling. And I think it was the reason din. It was a big driving factor. Kaya mabilis din akong nakaka-adapt dun sa reality niyo. No matter how sad that is. Na, oh, we have to live in the hospital again. Like, oh, syempre, quality of life, mabababa. I mean, you don't live in your house anymore. You live in the hospital. Tapos, you're just, exposed to all these things. You kind of get depressed. But I didn't eh. It was so different for me. My hospital life, parang I was able to get through it because I was just thinking that there's a bigger purpose behind all of this. She had a medical condition and she She almost didn't make it. She almost died that night. But she lived through it for so long. And, syempre, hindi naman kami mayaman para gumastos kami sa St. Luke's. Tapos, 2 years ka na sa St. Luke's, baka wala ka ng pera. We would stay in the hospital for that long, like 10 months straight, 3 years straight. Stuff like that. And I think that remembering my sister's medical condition right now, it reminds me of my intentions, why I'm here. Kung ba't ako nagsisimula nitong vlog. It points out the obvious, that the reason why I'm doing this is because I know I have quite a story to tell. So I'm gonna have to begin the narrative today. Ever since 2014, I would write a journal every day. And lalo na ngayong lockdown, since day 1 talaga, as in nasubaybayan ko guys, I kind of took a step back and I wanted to approach it into a more of like an experience talaga. Like when the lockdown was about to happen, I remember just sinking in and just like feeling it like terror. Like, end of the world. Oh, 8 p.m. na, may siren na naman. You're making the big deal out of the smallest things.
DSW do under General Bautista.
Okay. Now, we're being told to really stay home. On the second day pa lang. Ewan ko kung naririnig ninyo in the background. There's a fire truck siren that... Can you hear that? So it kind of adds to the whole feeling of chaos. Because you can hear sirens and you don't really know what's happening outside. Since the start of day 1, may mga journals talaga akong sinusulat. Yeah, we can go back. There's an episode that's gonna be about the hashtag #QQuarantine. I'll be talking about my live streaming life and also pagko-compare ko kung anong difference ng live streamer and sa vlogger, konting patikim. Sa live streaming, pag ayaw ta sa'yo ng tao or gusto nila kang pagtripan, if they would say nasty stuff, dude, they would even type stuff, tapos parang babasahin mo siya, yung pala bastos na.
Yan, ganon.
They would say all the nasty stuff. Pero, ang difference nun is, you get to escape all of that when you're vlogging. Kasi tapos na eh, wala ka nang magagawa, tapos comments lang naman yun. UAP is a way of life, not just from what is happening on TV, but it's like every day you go to school, you know, you kind of just do it as a school thing talaga, and then you wait for the next game, you guys go there, you support your friends, rep the school name, all that stuff. But you know what, I think we can also talk about that on another topic, sporting events, shared humanity, and maybe another vlog for my dream of becoming a UAP courtside reporter. Other things. Okay, pero ba't ba tayo nag-worry about dito? Wala nga channel yung UAP ngayon. Why do you wanna travel right now, bro? Don't. Like, I know some of you guys are the ones na mag-check pa kayo ng mga sale, seat sale. I know a few people, alam ko. Eh, hindi nga natin sure kung kailan tong COVID ito matatapos.
One eternity later.
Why do you wanna travel right now, bro?
So if you're buying a Siargao trip for March next year, that's like being so confident na tapos na to. I doubt it, dude. As a topic, we're gonna go back to my last trip abroad before this pandemic happened. This happened last year and I went to Bali, Indonesia with my friend. Life before that, the life after, the life during. Can't wait to do this. Look. Kanina, sobrang ilang weeks na ito ng lahat. These are Shopee items that I have bought maybe in the last 2 weeks and I can't wait to share them with you guys, featuring them on a haul. Legit na tayo. Posible ba na may kwento talaga ako na gusto kong malaman nyo, tapos kailangan nyo lang munang panoorin para malaman nyo sa dulo? Or do you think it's possible na papansin lang ako kaya ako ginagawa to, nag-uubos ako ng time para dito? Posible din. Or do you think I'm actually doing this as a bucket list dahil I wanna try this once and for all in my life? Kinakahiya nila dati mag-vlog, diba? Ngayon, pag tinanong mo yung mga 4-year-olds, like, I wanna be a vlogger! What? I can just say it out loud and say, I wanna be a vlogger. I wanted to do this for the longest time. I guess it just goes back to my childhood siguro. Siguro my childhood na lang din. It just reminds me then na how life is so fast. Bilis eh. Pwede kunin talaga sa'yo anytime. Tapos parang, we weren't able to get as much pictures with it kasi before she fell into yun. Tapos siguro yung reason ko din kung bakit ako sobrang document na tao. Kasi pinaramdam sa akin na ngayon normal, next day pwedeng iba na. So I hope that while I'm going through my life and taking the time out to share it with you guys, giving you the access to the very core of my feelings, of the things that are happening to me, and even those that have happened already, I hope that you can learn a thing or two in this journey with Q. Welcome to my channel. It's called Yo Q. You can call me Q, Quinito, and I'm your boy. I am your newest wild child here on YouTube. I've been on Instagram for a while, pero I think it's about time that we take the story out of those highlights, those archived stories, and into a... Let's just talk about these things now. Let's make a vlog, and if you liked what you just saw, then I can't wait to show you more in the upcoming season of Yo Q. Going around craft today, and it's my first time to ever do this.
I'm a wild child and I'm alive.
So marami pong salamat for allowing me into your cell phones tonight, this morning, wherever you are in the world. Ayan, salamat sa oras na binigay sa akin. Thank you so much sa bandwidth. Salamat sa mga nagbawas ng mobile data just to be able to finish this. And sa mga nag-tap ng kanilang kapitbahay ng wifi, kudos to you. Malupit ka. Pamalakasan ka dahil naubos mo tong 10 minutes or more na ba tong video natin ngayon. Thank you for putting out the time as I also gave you my time tonight. Next time on Yo Quinito.